This is a 2010 Kia Soul, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we have to do is take this sail panel off. Just like that. And underneath there, you will see an electrical connection. We have to remove that. There's the connection. And the mirror is held on by 3 10mm headed bolts. So we have to remove those now. Now there is nothing holding the mirror on now. The bolts have been removed. So we can just take our mirror off just like that. Now to replace the mirror, all we have to do is put the mirror back in place like that. After we get the mirror in place, we'll put our bolts back in. This is the last bolt. Holds the mirror in. Now after we get the bolts secured, we want to put our electrical connector back in. And the last thing we got to do is put our sail panel back in place. And there it is. And that's it. That's all there is to replace your Kia Soul outside mirror.